If you want certification, networking, hands-on AI building experience, and career boost, this bootcamp is perfectly designed for you. So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, I'm going to share you an amazing bootcamp. And yes, it is the offline bootcamp. There you have to be physically present and it is available on your city. So how to participate in this event? Before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. Coming over here directly to the bootcamp page. So it's built with AI. You must have heard about Hack to Skill and you must have participated in the Gene Academy APEC edition too. So similarly, Hack to Skill organizes such cool boot camps. Now here in the boot camp, what will happen? So let me just explain you what will happen and what are the benefits. First of all, you'll be getting a direct face-to-face guidance about how to complete the labs, what are the GCP services, how to use them, and you'll be able to learn from the industry experts. You'll be getting a certification, official certificate from the team by completion of this particular challenge. You'll be getting a chance to network with engineers and developers and people who are like-minded like you. You'll be getting opportunity to visit Google offices in selected cities. Okay, so these are the things how to just participate in this event. So it's a very simple process how to do all the things and what will happen. First of all, you have to sign up. I'll share the link in the description. From there, you have to just register over there and select your city. Let me just show you. I'll show you a quick demo also. And then you have to just attend. So first of all the things after the setup means what you have to do. They'll be guiding you in the offline hackathon, means offline boot camp. There you have to do all the things. Now who should attempt the boot camp? Okay, attend the boot camp. So it is best for developers and innovators who are looking for upskilling themselves. Okay, so you don't have to pay a single rupees. It is free of cost and invite only. So when you register, it does not mean you'll be selected. You'll get a confirmation email, then only you'll be getting a chance to visit there. Okay, so will there be food? Yes, they will provide you refreshment for all the attendees to keep their energy high. So can you bring a teammate? So applications are individual, and if you and your friend wants to attend, they both have to register. Okay. So all the things I have covered mostly because these are the things only. And for all questions, you can just reach out to their support team. Now let's come over here to some of the terms and conditions. That team deserves means the program team deserves right to invite or cancel your accommodation. Okay, now here travel and accommodation arrangement are responsibility of the participants, means you have to visit that place at your own cost inside the campus where all the food and all the refreshments will be provided by the team, but you have to travel on your own expense to that particular place wherever they will be inviting you. Okay, location, it will be shared to you via email. Now here there are some cool challenges also. Okay, you can see there are some cool challenges also. You'll be learning about cloud computing and how AI agents are also built. Okay, so here let's see the schedules. So as I'm making the video on 1st of April, so on 2nd April we have the session in Mohali. Similarly, Mumbai session is yet to be announced and Jaipur also. So what you can do, wait for these sessions to be live. Just stay tuned in this particular page, and whenever the date will be updated, you can just register over here. Currently, Mohali is live. Okay, Mohali is live. Or what you can do, you can just register and select your particular city. Okay, so that you are notified whenever the registrations are live or whenever the ticket will be live. So how to register? You have to click on this register option. After that, you have to mostly enter your mobile details and full name and all the details. Okay, it will ask, you have to enter all the things, including LinkedIn profile, all your details, whichever they are asking, you have to fill it. Here comes the main part, that the city. Okay, you can see multiple cities are there. You have to select one of them and then just check these two checkbox and register. After that, all the details will be shared to you via email. So like this, you have to participate in this event, and if you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.